Hi, I am Dinesh from Keydiy. Today I am going to show you how to program a Toyota specific smart key without the original car key. This is the Keydiy Max key programmer and this is the Keydiy made Toyota specific OBD interface. Now I am going to plug the Keydiy made OBD interface to the Keydiy Max programmer using USB B to C cable. Now I am plug this Keydiy made OBD interface into the OBD interface of the car. Before you start key programming, you need this Keydiy Max device connect to the internet using Wi-Fi. Now we have to go to immobilizer programming. Same immobilizer programming, Toyota, smart key system, smart key support all keys lost, 8A smart key system, start execution, okay, backup from EEPROM data from the car smart box. Now I am pressing this start button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shows the software number. Save the file. You have to give the path. This is the file name. Done. After you extract the data from vehicle smart module, you need this kind of a Keydiy smart key. You need to plug into the key slot. After that, you need to generate the emergency key. You have to select the which key. Key generation successful. Now we can start the car.
Entering time-lapse mode.
Now we have finished the key program. Now I can show you the functions of the key. Now car has unlocked. Now I am going to lock again the car. Now again I am going to unlock the car. Now I am going to start the car using new key. It's done. With the Keydiy made, you can completely program a new key within 5 minutes. We don't need emulator. You don't have to remove the smart module.